This is Sky Knight here, and I actually just got a new microphone in the mail. I thought it might be interesting to take a look and unbox it. Let's do it. So, what I have is a Blue Yeti. Currently, I'm working with a Blue Snowball, which has worked fine, but I've heard these are better. I've actually been thinking about getting one of the Shure microphones. However, they're pretty expensive. So for now, we're just going to go with this. So let's open up. I actually got this from eBay. I don't know if the damage came from just like the shipping, or if this is actually used or not. I don't believe it was used. I actually don't remember. But first, before we get this opened up, have a special drink tonight. We have a Glenmorangie 18-year. Very. It's just a beautiful, beautiful scotch. Goes down super well. Well, let's get into this. So here we have the Blue Yeti box. This is the slate color. Let's pop her open. And actually, if you could see the little rig I have set up for my cell phone, which is actually doing the recording right now, it's essentially masking tape on top of my boom arm for my Blue Snowball, which seems to be working actually pretty well. Ooh, okay, so this is a little heavy. Let's take it out this way. Had to move my whiskey glass out of the way. Okay, empty box. Let's set that to the side. Open this up. What do we got? Okay. This is actually a pretty good sized cable too, actually. Looks like USB 2 to USB micro. Okay, cool enough. The one I'm currently using, the Blue Snowball, actually uses a USB Type A to USB Type B, which are kind of a pain in the butt to find, especially a good length one. Just a manual here. Ooh, here we go. Actually, I'm not even sure which way this is intended to be taken out. We got a K9 here. I'm not sure what that actually stands for, or if it actually means anything. Oh boy, this is actually heavier than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so here is the microphone itself. Just a whole bunch of packaging. What is this, little silica beads? Yeah, little silica beads. I've never actually seen them in a clear plastic container like this. They're usually in that like plasticky mesh type of material, but I guess that's what they look like on the inside. I've never actually opened one up before, because, well, why would I, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this. Ooh, that feels nice. This entire base just feels nice and chunky. Man, I dig it. I dig this a lot. Okay, so it looks like that's where I'm going to be attaching my current boom arm right there. Was kind of hoping that I'd be able to attach some part of the base to it, but I might have to buy some sort of a mount for that. Oh, that's kind of nice. It has a gold and blue logo there. That actually looks really nice. I don't know if that's coming through on the camera at all, but man, that looks nice. Well, let's okay. On the back, we have a couple different knobs. We have one for gain. It's a decently nice feeling analog. There's no ratchets or anything. Just a smooth turn all the way around. It doesn't feel like it's something that you're gonna be able to accidentally change. Ooh, these are some chonky clicks for the pattern. So it looks like, actually on the box, let's get the box back out. There are a few different modes. So there's stereo, cardioid, omnidirectional, and bidirectional. I mean, I'm going to be using cardioid because I'm going to be the only one talking into this thing. So let's just change that to, it looks like it's the third one. And that's actually, that's difficult to do with one hand. Okay, so it's on cardioid. Put the gain about halfway up. I don't know, we'll have to see what it's like. Oh, there's a physical mute button. I like that. Oh, and then there's an audio volume for, I suppose, if you're plugged into headset? Yeah. If you have a headset plugged in, I assume you'll be able to hear some side tone. And I assume that will be the volume of the side tone. Okay, cool. Well, all that's really left is just to plug it in and see what color everything is. I have a feeling this is going to be red when it's turned on. And actually, that might be the only LED or light on here at all. Just plug it into my little USB hub on my desk. Plug it into I guess that's a micro USB. Ooh. I mean, I would have been fine to pay an extra $1 for this and just throw in USB-C, but whatever. Okay, so it's powered up now. Yep, it's a red light for mute. Ooh, what does that mean? Interesting. I don't know what that means. So what happens if I hold it? So if I hold it down, then it just stays on mute, but if I hold it down again, it goes to blinking. I don't know. I'm going to have to play with that, see what it's actually doing. If I were to keep... Man, I do like... It's hard to explain in a video. Let's take this off. It's hard to explain in a video, but man, this bass just... Use this thing as a weapon if you really wanted to. It's nice and heavy. But yeah, that is the new microphone that I'll be using and most likely trying out tonight. Well, thanks for hanging out with me and unboxing this thing. I'll see you later.